In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho projects with Zoho CRM using successful solutions. This process will help streamline your workflow by ensuring seamless communication between your project management tasks and your customer relationship management activities. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your Zoho CRM dashboard. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. You'll see various tabs, but what we're interested in right now is the Marketplace option. Clicking on the Marketplace will take you to a selection of applications and integrations available for Zoho CRM. This step is crucial as it opens up the doorway to connect Zoho projects with your CRM system. After entering the Marketplace, and you should see a list of different app categories, or you may have a search option. Here, you'll need to click on Zoho among these options. By doing so, you'll be directed to a list of Zoho's own apps that can integrate directly with Zoho CRM, which ensures that all your data remains within the same ecosystem, minimizing compatibility issues and enhancing functionality. Now, locate and select Zoho Projects. This is the software we want to integrate with Zoho CRM. Zoho Projects facilitates project management by allowing you to plan, track, and collaborate efficiently. Integrating it with CRM will enable these features to be accessible directly from your CRM interface. As you click on Zoho Projects, you are effectively telling Zoho CRM that you wish to bring these functionalities into your CRM environment. Once you have clicked on Zoho Projects, the next step is to click on something called the portal name. The portal name acts as a unique identifier for your Zoho Projects account within the CRM. Choosing the right portal is essential, as this determines which set of project data is synchronized. Ensure you're choosing the correct portal, especially if you manage multiple projects or organizations. The next action you need to perform is to click on Select Portal. This is where you make your final choice regarding the portal that you want to integrate with Zoho CRM. Selecting the portal finalizes which Zoho Projects data will be accessible within your CRM. Finally, be sure to click on the Save button. Saving confirms all the choices you've made and activates the integration process. It's a crucial step where the CRM captures your settings and sets up the infrastructure needed for the integration to function. That's essentially it. You've just integrated Zoho Projects with Zoho CRM. Now your team can efficiently manage projects while keeping customer relationships front and center. If at any point you encounter issues or need to change settings, you can always revisit the Marketplace and make necessary modifications. Keep exploring the features available through this integration to fully optimize your business processes. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy the improved productivity this integration brings to your work.